Hey there coding superstars, it's your friend Scratch101 here.
You and me.
And today we're making an awesome ping pong game in Scratch. Get ready because well, not 6 minutes, probably 11. You'll have a game that you can play. Let's dive in. Welcome to Scratch. First things first, let's open up Scratch. You can find it by typing Scratch in your search bar or heading to scratch.mit.edu. Scratch.mit.edu. Just like that. Now, you can choose to log in as I've done here, or just head straight in. What you're going to want to do is you're going to press that little create button there.
You and me.
See? Now this is your interface of Scratch. This is where all the magic happens. See this cute cat over here? That's our sprite. Sprites are characters or objects in our game. We're going to get rid of the cat for now. Just click the little trash can icon right next to the cat sprite in the bottom right corner, like this, and it's gone. Okay, time for our ping pong game. First of all, we need a paddle and a ball. Let's make the paddle first. Okay, go to choose a sprite. It looks like a little cat with a plus sign, right here. Now, in this whole section of sprites, we don't need any of them except for a paddle, a ball, and one more extra thing that you might have not guessed. Alright, I'm gonna scroll down and find it. Here it is, paddle. Now, what we need to do is we need to make it move. We want to make our paddle move left and right. Go to the events section, which is yellow by the way, over here, and take the when green flag clicked section. Just grab it out, drag it out to your workspace. Then, after that, you want to go to control, which is orange, just beneath the events, and then grab the forever block. Then you're going to snap it on with the when green flag clicked block. After that, you want to go to the motion section, which is blue, always at the top, and find the set X2. Then you're going to snap that inside of a forever, like it's tucked inside of a blanket, as I mentioned in the last video. Then we're going to drag this green paddle to about this height, which is -104x. Then what we're going to do is go to sensing, which is light blue, and then we're going to find mouse X. So now we're going to take that and drag that inside of set X2, which means when we click this green flag, it should follow my mouse around. See? Now, to stop your game, always make sure you press this red sign here, which stops your game, kind of like a stop sign on the screen. Now, when you click the green flag, as I showed you, your paddle should follow your mouse left and right. Awesome. Now for the ball. Choose a sprite. Just like before, click choose a sprite and go to the sprite section and search for ball. Pick any ball you like. This, a normal ball, a beach ball, basketball, baseball, any. In this case, I'm just going to do a normal ball like this. Alright, now for the starting position. When the game starts, we want the ball to go in the middle of the screen. So go to events and drag out the when green flag clicked again. Now go to motion and get go to and then X and Y. Now at this point, it changes whenever the ball moves. See? Look over here where I picked it from. Now, it's at 22x and y16. Now if I move it, now it's at -118x and 55y. But we want it to go to the middle of the screen, which is x is 0 and y is 0, which is exactly dead center inside of the screen. Now, making it move, we want the ball to move and bounce. Go to motion and grab point in direction. Now, we want to make a point in 45 degrees. So 45 degrees this way, to the right, or the left. Negative or positive. It doesn't really matter. Your choice. This makes the ball start moving diagonally. This way or this way. Now, grab another forever block from control. And snap it on with point in direction. Inside of the forever block, move 10 steps from motion. This makes the ball move. And for the bouncing, get if on edge bounce. Just over here.
You and me.
And snap it in. Put it right after move 10 steps. Try it. Click the green flag. Your ball should be bouncing in the screen. Like this. See how it's rapidly moving? That's a good sign. Now, if we stop it, and I click this green flag, it should spawn right at the middle of the screen. It did! That's great. Now, this is when the magic happens. We need the ball to bounce off our paddle. Still with the ball sprite selected, go to control and grab an if-then block right here. Now go to sensing and get touching mouse pointer and snap it right into that hexagonal shape. Now, we don't want mouse pointer to be touched, we want the paddle to be touched. So I'm going to click on this little triangle here. It'll give me a list of options. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select paddle. Inside of this if-then block, we want the ball to turn around. Go to motion and then grab turn 15 degrees to any direction, but I'm going to be doing right. And we don't want 15 degrees, we want 180. Now, add a small move 10 steps block, just so it doesn't get stuck. Finally, add a wait 0.1 seconds block from control. As I said, not 1, 0.1. Now, drag this whole entire block that we've made inside of the ball's forever block, underneath if on edge bounce. Now, when I click the green flag, it should bounce around my stage. Come to my paddle, stop for a second, and then go again. Let's see.
You and me.
Yep, it does. Great. Now, we can make this a little faster and smoother if we just remove this block. It's your choice if you don't want to.
You and me.
Now, let's test it. Yep, that looks entirely better. But you can see the hue kind of, oh, that's a glitch. I'll teach you how to fix glitches and how to get rid of those hues in this section over here in the costumes in another video. Now for the final step. We need to make our ball end the game if it touches the bottom. Now, what you want to do is go to choose a sprite and look for the line sprite. You should spot it straight away since it's a white background with a giant line. See? See how big it is? It can go all the way across our screen. So now we want to drag it all the way to the bottom. There. Now, it doesn't really blend in. So what we can do is go to costumes and change the color. Take the saturation to 0, and then fill it so that you can't see it at all. But it will start to touch the ground. Now, there's not really going to be any code here. We're just going to add another if-then block. So now, go to sensing and touching mouse pointer again. But this time we want to set it to line. But its name isn't just a line, it's the game over line. If we touch the game over line, then we want it to stop everything. There we go. So now, once it touches this line, it should stop everything. Let's try it out. Bounce, bounce, and miss. Yep, it stopped everything. I can't move anymore. Now, I will be posting a advanced version on adding a score, a home screen, and different levels. If you want to know when that comes out, like and subscribe to the video. And there you have it, coding superstars. You've just built your very own ping pong game in Scratch. You've learned all about sprites, motion, sensing, and control. All super important coding concepts. Now, try playing your game. Show it to your family and friends. Can you make it even better than the one in the video? The possibilities are endless. If you had fun coding with me today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome coding adventures, and leave a comment below telling you what game you want to build next. See you in the next video. Bye.